Good morning from Chikkamagaluru. Check out the drone shots before I say anything further. Good morning, people. Welcome to Coffee Lands of Chikkamagaluru. As you just saw the beautiful drone shots of this area around Mulanagiri, we just started off from our resort in Silver Sky Resorts here in Chikkamagaluru, and we are heading towards the coast today. And we'll just keep riding and decide as we go. No particular plans. We have an open day today. Keep riding, see how's the weather, and ride more. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. And also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. So stay tuned for an exciting day here in the Western Ghats as we raid the mountains and explore the unexplored. So we just exited from Chikkamagaluru towards Balehonur, and the scenery just gets better as we ride into the mountains. Very, very windy with the monsoons. Cloudy, windy and chill. The time right now it's like 10 a.m. and it feels chill. Chikkamagaluru is not very crowded this time of the season due to all the rains. People are not traveling much.
Learn to stay outdoors more. We are designed to be outdoors rather than indoors. Remember, nature is where we come from and nature is where we go back. Nature is beautiful. Stay in nature. End of the day, it's the memories is all that we carry back. We can't carry any other materials. Well, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, do write on the comment section below. Also, follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. My Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned until the end of the video. So you're riding with me on board my Honda Transalp 2024 model.
So we're just climbing Devaramane beta. Very, very foggy. Monsoon is here. It's raining. cut. Nature is so beautiful. Oh my god. Karanataka. They need will help with it. They didn't break the thing. Crazy fog here, and there was a small incident with a car. Just helped them get out of the ditch they crashed into, and back on the road. And check out Devaramane in the monsoon. Absolutely no visibility. This must be what, like 20 feet? Oh, I can see hailstorms. Crazy hailstorms here in Devaramane. Absolutely white all over, and heavy wind blast. Check this out. The last time I came to Devaramane, it was clear view, but right now I can't see anything. Go straight only, I think. I will not put the map actually. Crazy Devaramane in the monsoons. A lot of rains, a lot of fog, hardly any visibility. Town Swatantra Amrita Mahotsava circle. We just came on the ring road, stopping in MTR probably for lunch and then straight back home. So our last stop for the trip. This is the MTR. Gonna have lunch here and then head home. So hope you like this short vlog of mine to Chikkamagaluru and Devaramane. Do subscribe to my channel if you do like my content, and also give any suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching once again. It's going to be sayonara, adios and goodbye.